All right, here we go. Improving the new player experience. Let's see it. Let's see it.
Being a new player in OSU kind of sucks.
True.
The friend who introduced the game to you is out there playing insane.
Wait. I almost scammed myself.
While you're stuck getting C ranks on normals. You want to try playing multiplayer together, but the skill variance means either your friend gets bored on low diffs, or you suffer.
That's true.
Okay, I don't think I'm ready for this level.
That suffering is actually fixed in Laser thanks to Freestyle.
Freestyle.
The premise is
What's
that you can now select any difficulty in any rule set along with any mod you want in a multiplayer game. This is on by default because we think that it's probably the mode that most people want to set up a multiplayer room in.
Oh, yo! Wait.
It's kind of like...
They have this in the other rhythm games. I'm not sure if you guys have played like My. Like My, or DDR, they have like the two... a cabinet is actually two cabinets, you know what I'm saying? And the two cabinets are side by side. And so when you play with other people at an arcade, like one person selects the difficulty, but the other player, if they're worse or better at the game, can choose a different difficulty too. This is huge!
If you go to an arcade in Japan, it's kind of how every game works, and it makes it a lot easier for different skill levels to play together. If most multiplayer rooms have this turned on, it's no longer like, oh, that room is 3 stars plus, I can't play that. It's more like, I can join that room and then play a 2-star map. The fact that we can do freestyle at all is due to the 1 million score cap, because it does mean we can start to compare players across multiple difficulties, which is to say you can feel like you're competing with each other.
This is why 1 million score is important.
No longer like magnitudes out from each other.
It's very easy to tell at a glance whether or not a score is good.
It's an easier difficulty versus a harder difficulty.
They have a different star rating on their results screen, but that's it.
Okay, then it's up to the player to determine the value of a score. I guess that works for something as casual as multiplayer.
Exactly. I don't think it's going to be used in tournaments, but we'll see.
Yeah, it's not that big of a deal.
Spectating is another staple of the new player experience. You watch your friend click circles faster than you can comprehend, your friend watches you miss every other note, all good times. And today's update makes spectating clearer with the newly added Spectator list.
Fishy Fat 5.
Bottom, because then you can't see as many spectators as you could in stable.
I'm pretty sure the spectator list is also a skinnable element, so you should be able to move it.
Oh,
holy!
The biggest crowd of new OS players will likely appear from the upcoming Laser iOS release.
Yes!
A few more mobile-oriented changes made it into today's update, including Mania's most requested feature.
What?
We have support to change screen rotation per screen in the game. That means that we can now automatically rotate gameplay to portrait mode when...
Wait, this is a game changer! Chat, I will actually get into OSU Mania because of this. Playing OSU, like OSU Standard on my tiny ass iPhone 13 sucks ass. The circles are tiny as shit. But this looks doable. I'm not going to play 7 key, dude. 7 key is fucking... Listen, all right, listen. There have been many times in which I'm bored, I open up my phone, and I just doom scroll, all right? Whereas instead of doom scrolling, I can hone my craft as a 4-key Mania player. Chat, Mania is also part of the vision, okay? All right? I've never said this before, but OSU Mania is part of the vision because vertical scrolling rhythm games are so prevalent. OSU is extremely dominant, but OSU Mania, or specifically the vertical scrolling rhythm game element, is very easily, how do I say it? A VSRG player can easily hop from one game to another game to another game. You know what I'm saying? So like if the vision supports for the most popular VSRG style game mode, all of a sudden we have a pull into a much easier workflow for other people from other rhythm games to get in. You know what I'm saying? So like, I want to learn more about the Mania community. I want to get into it myself so I can be one of them to understand and understand how to service them. But this makes it, this would be a fucking game changer. Absolute game changer. Anyways.
Starting a Mania game session. Also, the UI scale in mobile has been completely reworked. So until now, when you started up a mobile release, the interface would be very small, and that's just because it was using like a desktop style UI scale algorithm, and now mobile has its own custom scale algorithm.
Beautiful!
Which means that the game by default is going to be a more correct scale at 1.0 times UI scale.
If you're one of the people who complained about friend notifications being obnoxious, you've influenced change. They no longer stay in notification history, they won't flash the taskbar, they have less standout colors, Plus they have a much more subtle sound effect.
And Nekodex
I'm turning that off anyway.
Said he engineered the sounds to stop being annoying. Even if they play a lot, they shouldn't get to the point where you ask to have them disabled.
I will turn them off anyway.
I'm
sorry, chat. I have too many friends.
Have up-to-date statuses. These statuses are what makes Stable's dashboard feel alive, like a real community. So it's good to see Laser actually getting there.
Mom? Yes, again.
I see this check mark button.
Oh, that's me!
I see that.
That's me!
This check mark button. What happens if I join your team?
You're welcome to try. Probably means that it shows up on your profile.
I see what you mean. Okay, I'm gonna take it off.
So the concept of teams has been something we've wanted for a long time. Every fucking feature, nothing is new, right? All these feature requests are 10 years old. Anyway, so we're finally getting around to adding...
Listen, chat, okay? The feature requests, okay? The devs have been listening. It just takes a while, all right? There's a lot of things that I said that I'll do eventually, okay? And it's true. I will do them eventually, all right? I will make the r/place video. It will happen eventually, all right? It's just going to take a while. Osu Rewind will come back eventually, all right? It's just going to take a while. Listen, dude, okay? If I say something, I mean it. It just might take 10 years.
Teams and teams.
Roundtable 2 VODs, they'll come out eventually. It just might take a while.
Are basically a way you can add a bit more flair to your user in the
chat. The farmathon will end eventually. It just might take a while.
We're going to expand on the team system, so there will be team leaderboards similar to friends leaderboards. You'll be able to see team members and potentially team versus team way to compare yourself to other teams, along with features like chat channels. We don't want to make the system too complex. We're not trying to create a second Discord here, but giving people ability to group themselves together within the game, which hasn't been there until now. Team creation and management is all on the web, and teams will only be displayed in Laser for now. I guess the other thing to mention is that the size of a team is limited by how many supporters are in the team. So as you have more supporters join the team, the max capacity for the...
Wait, they added me? What the fuck? How come I never knew? I was part of Mom? No!
The team continues to increase.
A couple months ago, I made my first full map in Laser's editor, which also means I won.
Chad, there's no way I'm still on the team, right? Peppy. Fuck. I got kicked. That's so cringe. Chat, I'm canceling Peppy. I don't give a fuck. Bro doesn't want me on the team. I don't either.
Whined about everything that annoyed me in the process, and some of these have been addressed in this update, like the precision movement tool. I used this in Stable all the time, but it was missing from Laser until today. Now you can input an object-specific XY coordinates, or move objects relatively on the axis. When copying and pasting objects, I'd often do something like this. In Laser, doing the same would put objects right on my timeline cursor, not snap to timeline ticks.
Ew.
Now, copying and pasting in Laser snaps just like Stable.
Good change, good change.
An overlapped object in the timeline was really confusing before. Like, you'd expect clicking here to select this object, but yeah, as of this update, it works as expected. Laser's editor also now has % progress in the bottom left, a functional distance snap. I'm not even going to try to explain what was wrong with this, just know that it works now. A way to access the map's web pages, and most importantly, you can now submit maps in Laser.
We haven't really added...
Game changer. The new era of Osu mapping has begun. Submittable Osu Laser beat maps. Someone can create a map on Osu Laser using all of the brand new tools at your fingertips. It's time.
New
but I'm not a
features
mapper
yet. It's just basically getting it working. If anything goes wrong, we'll probably have to disable it server side. So just keep in mind that if you try and submit and it's not working, it probably means that something has gone wrong and we are very aware of it. When you submit a beat map from Laser, it's automatically converting it to a legacy format. It's the same as if you go to file export for compatibility use. We do that so it's still possible to play the beat map on Stable. It does mean that if you re-download the beat map, it's going to potentially lose a bit of the Laser specific metadata. So I would recommend keeping a local copy of your beat maps regardless.
OLZ is important, chat. OLZ.
Slow-mo replay analysis is one of Laser's coolest features, and this update makes it even more practical. Before today, hitting the left or right arrow key would skip 5 seconds no matter what. Now, this shortcut scales based on playback speed.
Huge!
So when you're watching a replay in slow motion, it'll only skip a tiny amount.
That's huge, that's huge.
The sudden death mod has a new setting to fail when missing a slider end, so it's a great day for people who like pain. Anyone using a skin with a long applause sound effect might have experienced something like this. Yeah, the applause sound overlaps with song select. Not good, so now leaving the result screen turns off the applause. If you use collections often, you'll be happy to know that you can now see how many maps are in each collection. Plus, you can create collections straight from Laser's playlists. Useful if you want to practice spotlight maps, or if you just like a playlist, I guess.
Oh my
God!
There's
also a thing on your profile now showing if you completed today's daily challenge. And I didn't realize how much Taiko was neglected until this change. Add Legacy Taiko Swell. Basically, if you were playing with the classic skin, you'd previously see the spinner from the triangle skin. Now you'll see the same spinner as in stable.
I'm sorry, that's just like such a tiny detail that I'm sure every single Taiko player has been complaining about for like the last like 4 or 5 years, just asking, begging, please. Everything about Taiko looks so good, just like the original client, except for the spinner. Please, just change this one thing. This one thing. It's the sword thing that sticks out, bro. Please. Here we go.
The only other thing in the whole changelog I would maybe want to mention is the asynchronous mouse.
Huh? What's the asynchronous mouse thing? Anyways, chat, notice how in this Osu Laser update, they talk about Standard, Mania, and Taiko. The only 3 real game modes in this game. Catch the beat is not real. I'm gonna keep bullying CTB players. Catch isn't real, chat. Catch isn't real. One day people are gonna realize that this is just like a gimmick for me to create an enemy to destroy to rile up my community. It's true. All right, CTB, not a real game. Chat, we must band together to destroy CTB. The Osu Civil War. Anyways, that was dope. Okay, chat, the biggest thing from this from this that everyone is talking about is Osu teams. Okay? Now, I was aware of this. Okay? I remember when Osu teams first like leaked, quote unquote, on the GitHub, which is why like you saw like my username appear like over here. Over here, okay? Someone in my chat actually sent me like the GitHub thing or like the user page thing where like people could join, and like I knew about the teams. I knew teams were coming, okay? Appreciate the leakers. Now here's the thing. I did not know that they were going to release at 1:30 a.m. last night. Osu sent out an announcement post on TweetAir. Team creation is now live on the Osu website. Creating teams will be limited to supporters for the first 24 hours to give name priority to those who support the game. Now, normally how I would like to structure these clips is to have everything happen in the clip. Unfortunately, if someone takes my fucking name, I'm going to be pissed. So what I did was last night, when this first released, I made my own team. And that team is the Round Table. The team / organization that will champion the vision. It's true. All right. I was actually struggling to come up with a name because like there's the vision, there's the Round Table, there's the nation, there's fuck, if you want to go all the way back in like BTMC lore, there's like Illuminati. All right, the Illuminati, the Illumination. Do you guys know what the Illumination is? That was like a Steam team that I created of just like my friends, okay? But I decided that I want it to look official, okay? And thus we have the Round Table. It's true. All right. I don't know how I'm going to like determine who joins it. Is it just people who like the Round Table? They join the team? Is it only the Round Table team members, like internal team? Is it going to be people who are respected by me to maybe one day play in a Round Table invitational or open event? I don't know. But I still need to look into how this actually works. It was very easy. It was really, really easy. All I had to go is click on my profile and click on my team. And then it gave me like the option to just create a team. So that was dope. That was dope. With that being said, I know there are some people here in this chat who sniped some of the potential team names. Okay. I know someone created the team called BMC. What's up with that? Now, here's the thing, chat. Here's the thing. I actually did think about that. One, it was already taken. But two, do you guys really think a team named BMC would be cool? Honestly speaking. Because, like, here's the thing. BMC evolved as an emote because I genuinely thought the emote was cringe, all right? It's, like, low res. It doesn't even look good, all right? But, like, it's because of that dichotomy that allowed it to, like, blossom. Now people use it as a meme because it pisses me off, right? But the moment I accept it, the moment I become part of the joke, or I make the joke official, that's when it becomes... It's like the best way to make a joke sting less is to accept it, right? Which is also part of the reason why I didn't want to change the name of the Clips channel to BMC. But I ended up doing it anyway because Yayaka said so. But like a team name, if I called my team BMC, it becomes less of like a meme and more official. And that makes it lamer, you know what I'm saying? So like, listen, that's why I decided to stick with the fucking round table. It's true. It's true. Maybe people who contribute to the round table, like mappers, players, commentators, should be in the team. I don't know. I'll figure it out. I think, like, worst case scenario, I'll literally just be like, I don't give a shit. If you request to join, you can join. I don't care. How many join requests do you have? I don't know. How do I check? Team application open. Oh, God. Hey, I know a lot of these names. BTMC fanboy. So is the Osu house vision dead? Oh, fuck, true. We could have went with the Osu house. Nah, but I'll figure it out. This is unfortunate. It is what it is. Listen, chat, the round table is like the brand that I do want to carry on, okay? The round table is what I hope to be the brand that will live on when I disappear. It's true, chat. It's true. When BTMC gets canceled, I hope that the round table team moves on. Okay, I hope that the creations and the products and the vision of the roundtable will carry on without me. It's true. It's true. Ed, how it works is that there are slots that you can accept people, but the slots increase by 3 for each supporter you accept in the team. Finally, more reasons for people to buy Osu supporter. Oh my goodness, finally. Oh my goodness. All right, who has Osu supporter? If you have Osu supporter, I'm accepting you. Do I have to manually check each person? Chat, I will create the biggest team on Osu. Our team will be so big that we will destroy the competition. It's true. All right, this is it. Chat, join the roundtable team. I'll accept everyone. Fuck it. Is there an accept all button? Wait, this is actually... Okay, I get it. The team system was not created for this. But it's okay. All right? Oh, shit. All of these are from a few seconds ago. Chat, who will win? Will I accept all of the requests first, or will there be more requests than I can accept? Let's find out. Start the prediction now. Chat, will I run out of slots before I add everyone to the team? Find out next time. Yayaka, add in like that soundscape music and speed this up. Chat, I will have the biggest team in the universe. Chat, when it comes to your team, size does matter. Oh, wait, it shows the available slots. 51. Yo. Wait, chat, what if I add and max out my team, but then someone with Osu supporter leaves? Is it doomed? I actually camped team launch just to make mine, so unfortunately I'm not joining. I get it. You're fake as fuck. I didn't want you on my team anyway. Bitch. I thought we could be friends, but now you are my enemy. My sworn enemy. Chat, we're limit testing. We're limit testing. We're limit testing. We're limit testing. Yeah. Okay, calling on the Osu dev server. Can anyone make a script that just auto accepts shit? Can I create like team moderators that will automatically accept people? Will I get banned if I give my username and password to someone else so they can accept other people's friend requests? Accept all button win. That's what I'm saying, bro. Chat. I started this as a joke, but now I feel like I'm too committed now. Wait, enter works. Enter works. Okay, we just found an insane time split or time save. Oh my god. Oh my god, chat. Wait, huge time saves. Incredible tech. What the hell? Did these guys... Does Osu think that I'm DDoSing them? What the fuck? Wait, chat, I still have 71 available slots. Let's fucking go. We have Osu supporters on our team. Chat, as we add more players... Chat, as we add more players, like, the team size just grows. Like, the available slots just grows. Chat, this is actually... Be sure to smash the like button if you enjoyed this video. Damn right. Join the roundtable team. Chat, I must finish what I started. Peppy cannot stop me. I'm almost there. I did it. I got everyone in. Oh my god. Oh my god, we did it. We did it, chat. We fucking did. Oh. We fucking did it, chat. No! Yo!